With our very busy lives and our constant attention being pulled in all different directions, we don't realize sometimes that Spirit is calling us in any way that it can, that it is so very close to us. And it is in the water and in the trees and in the sky and in the animals. It is a place for us to first get our bearings, to finally breathe peacefully and low. And then it shows its glory to us. And it opens our hearts, and it opens up a part of our mind that wants connection with something bigger. It's there for us to feel the energy, to send our own conversations, to receive messages that we have been longing to hear, to have the assurances in our life that we have been looking for. We simply have to welcome it and walk into it. We have to take the time. We have to stop and breathe deep and allow ourselves to see the wonder around us. Instead of rushing through the woods, let's walk and feel the leaves crunch beneath our feet. Feel the leaves blow in the wind. Know that everything is coming alive since you are there, and start to open to it. This is how to bring the calmness into your life and how to bring the beautiful spirit into your mind and soul. Know that every movement we are making is guided. It doesn't take much for us to awaken this, but we have to take the time and to look around and to ask the questions instead of trying to answer them all the time. And to know that there is something bigger guiding you in your life relieves the pressure of getting everything done in this very minute. And knowing that there is a time and place for everything. The things we see will give us strength. The messages will be strong. We will learn the stories if we just stop and listen. Open my heart to Spirit so that I can receive the healing, the love, the ideas, the peace, the strength. All of that comes from being in somewhere that I find Spirit. And my favorite place is among the trees and among the water. For other people, it might be mountains or the desert. Whatever it is that you find something bigger than yourself, this is what you reach out for. Everything I do, from writing a book or cooking or just making a video, I am always putting in an intention. I am always feeling the Spirit guide me in everything I say, in everything I do. I feel that Spirit alive in me, and I know that the Spirit hears my intention.